Welcome, my name is Serge. I am a module technician here at Safety Restore. There are many different types of airbag control modules. Certain modules have an MCU processor depending on the make, model, and year of your vehicle. The MCU processor is a memory chip that stores data from the safety system. Usually, MCU processors are included in vehicles that are 2012 and newer. The procedure in clearing the crash data in the MCU processor consists of a series of steps that require more time to complete. It requires specialized tools and expertise to access and reprogram your module. This process is essential to ensure that your airbags deploy correctly in case of another accident. Resetting your airbag control module and ensuring safety restoration is a crucial step in maintaining the safety of your vehicle. Thank you for choosing Safety Restore since 2013.